Be thankful. Every now and then people create short-term and long-term goals. Debts that need to be paid. Weight that must go down or be controlled. Car that could have been bought. And other targets that could have been reached. It's good to set goals, but it should not be for material things only. Are there attitudes or personal habits that you would like to improve? One thing that we can develop in order to improve our relationship with others is to be thankful. We can never be complaining and at the same time being thankful. A grateful heart is quick to see what is good and chooses to be thankful for it. How can we make gratefulness a part of our system? 1. Focus on the goodness of God. Always start your day with prayer and reading of the Word of God. Encountering God through His Word will remind you of how good, faithful, and amazing He is. We are quick to forget the good things that God did to us. When you focus on your needs, you become anxious, but when you focus on the goodness of God, you can never stop being thankful. 2. Be quick and prompt in saying thank you to others. Being angry and complaining ought to be controlled, but being thankful ought to overflow. Make it a habit to say thank you to everyone who has helped you and done you an act of kindness. Say thank you if someone opened the door for you. Say thank you to the hotel staff who called a taxi for you. Be grateful to the person who cleans the comfort room of your office building. Thank the waiter who brought food to your table. Thank the client who provided you feedback, whether it be positive or negative. If you want to be more grateful, give thanks as often as you breathe. 3. Do the 21 Days of Gratitude Challenge. According to studies, it takes a minimum of 21 days to form a new habit. Regular, consistent doing of the same thing will become a routine. This is the challenge for you. In 21 days, do not complain, instead be thankful. See how this transforms your day and even your relationships. This is what Colossians 3 verse 15 says, and let the peace of God rule in your hearts, and be thankful. If we allow God's peace to take full control of our hearts, gratitude will be its overflow. Start counting those things that you need to thank for.